Hey there! If you love cool kitchen gadgets, you're in for a treat. Today, I've got the top 10 best kitchen gadgets from Amazon that'll make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. So, let's jump right in. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing finds, plus check the links below to grab your favorites. This silicone spatula turner set is a great addition to any kitchen, offering a variety of shapes and sizes to handle different cooking tasks. Made from food-grade silicone, it's safe, non-stick, and won't damage cookware. With a high heat resistance of up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, it can withstand hot pans and grills without melting or warping. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, making cooking easier. Cleaning is hassle-free since it's dishwasher-safe and designed to prevent food from sticking. This glass spice jar set is perfect for keeping your kitchen organized and your spices fresh. It includes airtight square jars made from lead-free, BPA-free glass, ensuring safety and durability. The set comes with pre-printed and blank labels, a chalk marker, and a funnel for easy filling and labeling. The pour and sift shaker lids make it convenient to use your spices while cooking. This foldable chef knife combines practicality and style, making it a great choice for both outdoor cooking and home use. Crafted with a sharp stainless steel blade, it offers durability and precision for slicing meats, vegetables, and more. The natural olive wood handle is hand-polished for a comfortable, non-slip grip. Its compact, foldable design allows for easy storage and portability, making it perfect for camping, barbecues, or everyday kitchen tasks. This personal-sized hot air popcorn popper makes snack time quick and healthy. It pops up to 8 cups of popcorn in just minutes using hot air instead of oil, creating a light and crispy treat with no added fat or artificial flavors. The compact design includes a built-in serving bowl and a convenient cord wrap for easy storage. With a simple wipe-clean surface, it's a hassle-free way to enjoy fresh, homemade popcorn anytime. This versatile milk frother and steamer is perfect for making lattes, cappuccinos, hot chocolate, and more. With 8 functions, it creates rich froth, warms milk, and even prepares dairy-based baby food. The induction heating system ensures even heating without burning, while the magnetic drive technology delivers smooth and delicate foam. Its user-friendly design features a simple knob control and an OLED screen for easy operation. These stainless steel locking tongs are a must-have for any kitchen, perfect for turning vegetables, tossing salads, or handling food while cooking. The sturdy construction features scalloped edges for a secure grip, while the soft, non-slip handles provide comfort and control. Designed for convenience, they lock closed for easy storage and are dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. This elegant glass oil and vinegar dispenser set is perfect for any kitchen, offering mess-free automatic pouring for effortless cooking. Designed with high-quality glass and stainless steel pourers, these bottles ensure controlled dispensing while keeping your hands free. The set includes 2 350-milliliter bottles, a retractable funnel, seal caps, and durable waterproof labels for easy organization. Stylish, durable, and practical, it's an ideal addition to your kitchen or a thoughtful gift for any home cook. This beautifully crafted charcuterie board set combines premium acacia wood with an elegant marble design, perfect for serving cheeses, meats, and appetizers. It includes 3 ceramic bowls and a stainless steel cutlery set, making it a stylish and functional addition to any gathering. Easy to clean and designed for versatility, this board is ideal for both casual get-togethers and formal entertaining. A thoughtful gift for food lovers, it's a must-have for anyone who enjoys hosting. This magnetic knife block holder is designed for both functionality and aesthetics, made from high-quality acacia wood for a sleek and durable finish. It features double-sided strong magnetic suction for secure knife storage, ensuring your knives stay safely in place. The anti-skid base provides stability, while the simple design makes it easy to clean. With its natural wood texture and eco-friendly materials, it's a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. This compact and portable electric egg cooker is perfect for cooking eggs wherever you are, whether at home, in a dorm, or on the go. It features a user-friendly digital timer, transparent lid, and an auto shut-off function to ensure your eggs are perfectly cooked every time. Made from BPA-free materials, it's both safe and energy efficient. With a buzz alarm to notify you when the eggs are done, it's a reliable addition to your kitchen or travel setup. It makes an ideal gift for those who appreciate convenience in their daily routines.